Hello beautiful people, let's make this local yam recipe. Here are the ingredients we'll be using, and I have a tuber of yam here. I'm going to cut this into little pieces. I'm cutting it right inside a bowl of water. That will help it not to change color. And I washed this and I added it into my pot. I'll add in water to be at the same level with the yam, and we're going to cover and cook this for about 10 minutes without adding salt. In the meantime, let's go and prep other ingredients. Here I have the green. I know this vegetable as green. I don't know any other name for it. Please, if you have any other name, let me know in the comment section. And we're going to wash this. Wash it to get rid of all the sand and all the dirt. And we're going to cut this into little pieces. I prefer cutting my veggies at home. That way it retains all the nutrients it has to offer. And I'll set this aside. I'm back to the yam. It's already boiling, and now I brought in the salt, and I'm going to cover this for another 5 to 10 minutes. And this is 10 minutes later. Looking at the texture, you can see that the texture has changed from the beginning, and that tells me that it has cooked to very soft, because I want this to be very soft so they can absorb the palm oil. And I'm going to drain out the water, and I'll set that aside with the pot covered so that the yam will retain the heat. And in a dry pan on heat, I added in palm oil. We'll just allow it to get hot, and I brought in the onion, and we're going to stir fry this for about a minute. Now I brought in the pepper, and we'll keep stirring this. I also brought in ground crayfish and some seasoning cubes. I'm going to break it up and spread it across. And I also brought in salt. We are mixing all this together, and I also brought in the ogba. Some of us also call it opaka, and we'll mix all this in for about a minute. We are building lots of local amazing delicious flavors for this yam vegetable. And now I brought in the yam. It's still very hot, and we'll mix it together. I like the yam to still be very hot at this point, because if it's cold I don't really enjoy it. We're going to mix all this in, and the yam is going to soak up the oil. And now I brought in the vegetable, and we're going to also mix this in for about a minute. And at this point our food is ready. We're not covering the pot again. This is so delicious. This is one of the recipes that make me mix the village, because in the village we have lots of amazing flavorful recipes that are finger licking. You will have to check for your salt to know if it's in the right proportion or if you need to adjust yours. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. And we'll be finishing this recipe with some onions also. This will give it a sweet taste, and we'll take it off from the heat. I like the veggies still crunchy. I hope you learned a thing or more from this video. And here is our plate of the delicious Uba local yam. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.